Jayco Greyhawk 31SS for sale in St. Anthony, Minnesota, 55421. Get ready for your next roadworthy adventure with this 2007 Jayco Greyhawk 31SS. This amazing Class C motorhome is brimming with quality craftsmanship and luxurious appointments. It is 31 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that offers an electrical slide-out system to increase your living space with the push of a button, and one 16-foot awning. The interior is highly versatile and extremely spacious with sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. You can finally experience first-class residential living while making your traveling dreams come true, because this Jayco Greyhawk Motor-home is fully loaded with top-grade amenities. With only 26,000 miles, you can be sure to hit the road with minimal effort. This Class C motorhome is ready to be your next home away from home. Some of the amenities include beautiful Corian countertops, maple cabinetry throughout, 3-burner stove, microwave, convection oven, fridge/freezer, kitchen dinette with booth-style seating, sofa, kitchen sink, pantry, flat-screen television, entertainment center, shower, skylight, fantastic fan, queen-size master suite, mirrored wardrobe, lots of overhead storage, trailer hitch, backup camera, air conditioning, automatic transmission, cruise control, day-night shades, exterior entertainment, exterior barbecue grill, HWH leveling jacks, alloy wheels, Onan generator, and so much more. This 2007 Jayco Greyhawk 31SS has been very well maintained. It is exceptionally clean both inside and out. This Class C motorhome is the ideal environment for creating lasting memories with loved ones and friends, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This Jayco is priced very competitively. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your travels with this unparalleled Jayco Greyhawk 31SS.